10:31. The market's just opened. Had a nice bounce off of the S1 pivot. A lot of delta coming in on the ES, not so much the NQ yet. Now it's picking up. We had some news at 8:30. Kind of whipsawed a little bit, looks like, and then moved down. I've got this new indicator that's so close to being ready, and I've got those updates for the ultimate delta and the ebb and flow. And I haven't heard from my coder in a couple days, and I just realized he moved to Florida, so I'm hoping he's okay. I imagine he's probably without power, so those updates might be a little bit, but hopefully he's okay and the power gets restored. We did have a decent amount of positive delta coming in on the NQ for the first 5-minute candle. We're getting some more hesitation off of S1, a little bit of a bounce up. I just got into a short as we were coming up to the top of this big down move candle. We were also approaching the 20. We've been in this short-term down move. I have a personal bias to the downside, I guess, at the moment. I'm copy trading 3 accounts on this chart, and then I've got one of my Apex accounts on this chart. I just changed the font size for the labels on the 5-minute charts. That way I can get more candles in on these smaller chart windows. The label size is fully customizable, as well as the lines, the line style, the line color, the opacity. I like having the bigger labels on my 1-minute chart, but you can fully customize the key levels indicator to meet your own personal trading needs. We had a nice rejection off of yesterday's open on the ES here. First 5-minute candle came down 6 points. Had a nice hold up at this trend line here. This is an auto drawn trend line from the built-in NinjaTrader trend line indicator. We got a clenched signal on the sphincterometer right there. And then we just popped up 20 points to yesterday's New York Open. Got a nice retracement off of the yesterday's New York Open level. There's a reason I chose all of these specific key levels. They get some good reactions. We just got a nice rejection off of this auto-drawn trend line on the 1-minute. Just had some major delta come in on the ES 6000 on this big candle. Popped up about 10 points on the ES after that. We just bounced down off of yesterday's open in this low volume area on the MNQ. A little bit after 10:30, I'm going to call it a day. Had a red day. I had a short bias, and even though we had pretty much all positive delta, everything's green, 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 lots of dilation in the sphincterometer. ES is heavily dilated. It's these dark green candles. I took one too many shorts. I made $12 in the Volucandlez count though. Take Profit Trader is doing a special hurricane relief promotion. They've got 40% off, no activation fees, and for every 25K account that people get, $25 of that goes to hurricane relief, and they're looking to donate around $50,000 to help out Florida. There's links and codes to get that deal in the description. I grabbed one of their 25K accounts. Not off to the best start, but that's okay. Live to trade another day. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Hitting that like button is always appreciated. Thanks for watching.